Alright guys, for today's quick video I'm going to show you a inside teardown of the digital RZ23 hard drive. This hard drive was released in around October of 1993. You can see it's full form. So the reason I'm showing you guys this is because I've seen many teardowns of hard drives before, but this one was very interesting, to say the least. So, there's a cable over here. Pull out, right? So we're going to take the screws out, as you can see. So, this is the entire drive without the board. Of course, the board should goes up and slides out. So the reason I found this so cool was the design of this drive was just so unique. So you can see they are much more well constructed quality back then, for sure. It's got 4 platters on this one. We got little reed heads, as you can see, all throughout it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the inside of a old digital hard drive. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like and subscribe.